There we are. Okay, basically, all this math is based on Jayden's theorem, which is uh, in the video preceding this, talks about numbers. This nominalizes pi, makes it physical. So pi is now physical. It's not just static, 2.14159. It's wave over frequency. So it's like physics math, basically, in this book. Now, nobody can read the book on the forum. I know this. So you have to go to the website and download the images and look at them on your computer. You can resolve them better. Basically, it describes pi using wave over frequency. So it's string chemistry or string theory, sorry, if you want to call it that. But it's very well developed. It also deals with prime too. Here's the Hadron Collider, okay, basically, using prime numbers. These are your different elements as waves using Jayden's theorem. These would be your waves, okay? I just called it N, but these would be waves. But they squish up differently than they do out here. So I'm using simple Newtonian mechanics to describe quantum mechanics. So if I wanted to create, let's say, some carbon, I would take helium, which would be two waves, right? Two protons. So I take two protons, okay, and I smash them against the 12 protons, the waves there. When I do that, it has to be done so many iterations. So basically, it's got to be done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different iterations, okay? And I'm going to end up with 6 carbon, okay? So I'm going to end up with 2. If you look over here, I have 2. I end up with 2 carbon atoms from 1 magnesium atom when I smash it with some helium. Where's my magnesium at 12? There it is. Sorry, I'm working the camera and doing this at the same time. So basically, this is a Hadron Collider. These would be forces, your iterations, okay? And I made it quite clear too in the post here in this book. This is gummy science development. This isn't solid science developments. This isn't white swan material. This is more research and development. So I'm not trying to smash the idea yet. I'm trying to just get the damn thing to walk. So basically, that's why you have all your. That's why I put all the elements here. Also, too, I accidentally discovered 2 new elements by mistake. I was using an old periodic table of the elements and ended up looking at the chart. And according to string theory and string chemistry, basically you have multiverses and stuff. Well, we go up we in the old chart I used we only went up to 118, but I discovered that the Hadron Collider created up to we're up to 120 elements now, and that's as high as it can create. Now, according to simple chemistry, we should be able to create another element or another 2 elements. I can't remember. But if our universe is not a gradient and it stops at 11 prime elements that you smash together basically and create all your different elements, then basically that's as far as it can go, you know? So our universe would be relatively cold, okay? But yes, this just basically dismantles everything, and this is a Hadron Collider basically on a door, essentially. What we're doing right now is just smashing little wavelets together and having little car wrecks and coming up with all these different little pieces going, what's going on? Well, this chart describes everything. You can break the elements down further too. This one, for example, right here, 64. We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. No, sorry, I'm counting wrong here. 64 divided by 2 is 32. So we go up to 32. We smash it with helium again, okay? And we get up to 32. And where's my 32 little guy there? There he is. You'll notice I took all those elements from the 64 and I basically put this guy over here. Now, I can break it down even further too. So 32 divided by 2 would be 16, so I go back up to 16. Okay, where's my 16? And I can break it down even further, and from 16 to 8, and then I break it down even further, and then just keep breaking it down, breaking it down. Okay, so that's basically it. So there's a Hadron Collider. That's why I had all your different elements. Also, this solves for prime. It gives you all your prime tree root factors as well. So you just backtrack and you can easily populate the primes tree roots by just backtracking using this table. I took it from the Civa Verita Ignes, so this is not the Civa Verita Ignes. Please understand, this is based on it and built on it, and spots primes pretty darn fast, but also the prime tree factors as well. So yeah, so that's basically a Hadron Collider right there. You're just smashing the elements together. So this is all research and development stuff. This is not white swan science. Hope I'm in the right form, and if I'm not, I apologize. Thank you for your time.